When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements offer as much impact as new windows. Whether you're renovating an older property or building a brand new home, professional window installation in Slidell can bring a variety of benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. The right windows can improve the energy efficiency of your home, increase its value, and enhance your overall comfort. Here's a closer look at why professional window installation is an investment you'll be glad you made. Energy efficiency. Slidell experiences a range of weather conditions, from hot, humid summers to chilly winters. With the right window installation, you can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable all year round. Professional window installers can help you choose high-quality, energy-efficient windows that help reduce your heating and cooling costs. New windows with advanced features, such as low-E glass and gas-filled insulation, are designed to minimize the heat transfer between the interior and exterior of your home. This means your air conditioning and heating systems won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in lower utility bills. In addition, a professional installation ensures that windows are properly sealed and fitted, preventing drafts and leaks that can waste energy. By eliminating the need to constantly adjust your thermostat, you can keep your home cozy without breaking the bank. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows are one of the most visible elements of your home's exterior. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to improve your home's appearance, investing in new windows can dramatically boost your home's curb appeal. A professional installation ensures that your windows are aligned, secure, and look flawless from the outside. In Slidell, where the weather can be harsh at times, old, worn-out windows can detract from your home's overall appeal. New windows, installed with precision and care, can instantly enhance the look of your property, making it more inviting and modern. Whether you opt for a classic design or something more contemporary, the right windows can complement your home's architectural style and create a lasting impression. Increased home value. One of the most significant long-term benefits of professional window installation is the potential increase in your home's market value. Buyers are often drawn to homes with updated, energy-efficient features, and windows are no exception. When your windows are in excellent condition and energy efficient, they signal to potential buyers that your home has been well maintained and upgraded with quality materials. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or just want to ensure it retains its value, new windows are a smart investment. Professional installation guarantees that your windows are installed correctly and function optimally, which can help maintain or increase the value of your property. Noise reduction. Slidell is a vibrant community with traffic, outdoor activities, and occasional noise from neighboring properties. However, your home should provide a peaceful sanctuary where you can relax and unwind. Professional window installation offers the advantage of soundproofing. High-quality windows, such as double or triple-paned models, are designed to reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more serene living environment. By selecting windows that are specifically engineered for soundproofing, you can reduce disturbances from street traffic, nearby businesses, or noisy neighbors. This can make a significant difference in your quality of life, especially if you live in a bustling area or near a busy street. Safety and security. Old or poorly installed windows can be a security risk. Broken locks, cracked glass, and weak frames make it easier for intruders to gain access to your home. With professional window installation, you can choose windows that are both stylish and secure, offering enhanced safety for you and your family. Modern windows often come equipped with secure locking mechanisms, shatterproof glass, and other safety features that give you peace of mind. When professionally installed, these features work together to prevent potential break-ins and keep your home protected. Warranty and peace of mind. When you hire professionals to install your windows, you not only get quality installation but also the assurance of a warranty. Many window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, which can cover repair or replacement if something goes wrong. Professional installers also often provide guarantees on their workmanship, ensuring that your windows function as intended for years to come. In addition, professional window installers are insured, so if any damage occurs during installation, you won't have to worry about paying for repairs out of pocket. Conclusion. From enhancing energy efficiency to boosting curb appeal and improving your home's security, professional window installation in Slidell offers a wealth of benefits. Choosing the right windows and ensuring they're installed correctly is an investment that pays off in the long run, making your home more comfortable, valuable, and aesthetically pleasing. If you're considering upgrading your windows, working with a professional installer is the best way to ensure that you get the most out of your investment.